Rainfall. All he ever wanted was fortune. Fortunately, his niggas was running the streets. Gave him a gun and some G's. Talking about money and weed. Start acting funny and squeeze. Run if they call the police. You don't belong in the street. Shame cause he seen too many locked up or boxed up to play the same scene. His pops left when he was barely a teen. Let's paint the picture clear with words you can see. He needed words of advice from a father figure. Dude was barely a me. Yeah. Rain falls, rain pours, rain shows. What we've been afraid of for too long. But still I know that there's another side, another hope, another life that I could know. No. Rain falls, rain pours, rain shows. What we've been afraid of for too long. Still I know that there's another side, another hope, another life that I could know. No. His heart grew cold, a desert eagle army scope is all he know. Collect the dough, respect no foe, and check these hoes. Up in Northern California where them texts bring dough, but never set free those who collapse under the pressure of the debt we chose. From deadbeat bros, headed to get head from a hoe. Knowing well he got a girl of his own, but she doing the same and they getting vibe when nobody at home. Yeah. That's just the way that it goes. 12 billion carrying the weight of the globe. He just another life taker's a joke. Until 5 grab the 9, then the joke's on you. Rain falls, rain pours, rain shows. What we've been afraid of for too long. But still I know that there's another side, another hope, another life that I could know. No. Rain falls, rain pours, rain shows. What we've been afraid of for too long. But still I know that there's another side, another hope, another life that I could know. No.